The Jones Lang LaSalle house view is that there will be the re-emergence of a secondary investment market in 2013. Why and how strong do you think this trend will be?
I think it is going to be quite property specific because there are still a lot of properties that have got major structural issues. But generally we saw quite a big readjustment to pricing during the last 6 months of last year, and I think across the sector generally there is now value. So in the last quarter we saw some of the UK institutions who've obviously got money coming into that sector, and there were a few private funds who've already raised money who are also beginning to look. So I think it's a combination of it's quite a significant value adjustment down, the higher yields, and a little bit more of an appetite for risk. So we're pretty positive about it.
The alternative investment sector has obviously done well recently, but Jones Lang LaSalle is singling out residential as perhaps the next big story. What are the drivers here?
I think the thing about residential is over the last 3 to 4 years we've seen a significant increase in leased residential product. IPD now do their own residential benchmark, and over the last 5 to 10 years it's outperformed commercial, and it's such a big sector. It's in terms of the amount of stock, it's by far the biggest of the alternative sectors, and in other countries like the USA and Germany it's become major areas, major asset classes. So I think we're not going to see a flood this year, but I think we will begin to see the first signs of UK institutions dipping their toe in the market.